Tired of DJ controllers that promise the world but leave you stuck with clunky knobs, laggy jog wheels, or outdated tech? Say goodbye to the guesswork, because 2025 is bringing the heat with some game-changing gear that'll take your mixes from bedroom basics to festival-ready fire. Imagine controllers so smooth, they feel like extensions of your own hands. In this video, we're breaking down the best DJ controllers of 2025, top picks, expert insights, and must-know features. All links are in the description, and you'll find detailed comparisons and bonus resources on www.progadgetguy.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a beat. Let's dive right in. Number 3 is the Pioneer DJ DDJ-FLX10 is a total game changer. This sleek, graphite-colored 2-deck controller is designed with beginners and aspiring DJs in mind, but don't let its size or price fool you. It packs a punch that rivals even higher-end gear. Weighing just over 6 pounds and compact in size, it's perfect for small spaces, mobile setups, or anyone who wants to practice their skills without lugging around heavy equipment. The DDJ-FLX10 works flawlessly with both Rekordbox and Serato DJ, giving you the flexibility to grow with your software preferences. Its layout is clean and intuitive, making it super easy to learn the basics, yet powerful enough to explore advanced techniques as your confidence builds. The jog wheels are smooth and responsive, and the built-in performance pads open the door to cueing, looping, and remixing with ease. What really makes this controller shine is how beginner-friendly it is. The Smart Fader feature makes transitions between tracks practically seamless, even if your beat-matching skills aren't quite there yet. Add in the Smart CFX for one-touch effects, and you'll sound polished and pro from day one. With over 1,500 glowing reviews and a 4.6-star rating, it's clear that this controller is a fan favorite, and for good reason. Ranked number 2 in DJ controllers on Amazon, the DDJ-FLX10 isn't just popular. It's trusted by a community of DJs who love its balance of performance and portability. Whether you're streaming a set from your bedroom or prepping for your first live gig, this controller gives you everything you need to get started and sound great doing it. If you're ready to take your first step into DJing, the FLX10 is the number 4 is the DDJ-RZ is a bold step forward for DJs who want to blur the lines between live performance and dynamic remixing. This 4-channel performance controller feels like it was crafted for creative minds that don't want to just play tracks, they want to transform them. Right out of the box, it commands attention with a club-standard layout that mirrors what you'd see in top-tier booths, but with fresh twists that make it stand out. One of the most exciting features is the groove circuit, which gives you the power to manipulate drum parts in real time. Whether you're layering beats, creating custom fills, or chopping rhythms mid-set, it adds an entirely new level of freedom to your performance. Paired with the Stems FX in Serato DJ Pro, the GRV6 lets you remix vocals, isolate instruments, and unleash wild transitions on the fly. It's not just mixing, it's reinventing tracks as you go. The smart rotary selector and the Discover function make track browsing feel like magic. Instead of digging through playlists endlessly, this feature suggests tracks that match your vibe and tempo, helping you stay in the zone creatively without breaking focus. Every inch of this controller feels tailored for intuitive play, from its well-spaced layout to its smooth EQ knobs and responsive jog wheels. Weighing just over 10 pounds and housed in a sleek black body, the GRV6 is portable yet sturdy enough for regular gigs. While it's still new to the market, it's already ranked number 7 among DJ controllers and has a solid 4.0-star rating from early adopters. If you're a DJ looking to take your sets to a more experimental, live remix level, the DDJ-RZ is a futuristic and powerful tool worth exploring. The Pioneer DJ DDJ-RZ is a serious contender for DJs who love to mix with depth, creativity, and full control over their sound. Designed for both Serato DJ Pro and Rekordbox users, this 4-deck controller is a powerhouse built with advanced features that push your performance beyond just blending tracks. Right from the first touch, it feels premium, solid, responsive, and clearly engineered for DJs who want a pro-level experience at their fingertips. One of the standout features is stem separation, which allows you to isolate vocals, drums, or instrumentals directly on the fly. Whether you're pulling acapellas to mash with beats or dropping instrumentals mid-set for custom remixes, the possibilities for live creativity are endless. Combine that with the auto BPM transition, and suddenly you're gliding between genres and tempos like a seasoned festival DJ, all while keeping the energy flowing smoothly. The adjustable crossfader gives you the freedom to dial in your scratch style or smooth transitions, and the 16 performance pads open up a playground of cue points, loops, and samples that bring your sets to life. Each button press feels tactile and responsive, perfect for high-energy moments when timing is everything. Weighing 14 pounds with a sturdy build and measuring just under 29 inches wide, the REV5 offers the perfect balance between portability and performance. It's already earned a solid 4.5-star rating from early users who love its versatility and feature-packed design. Ranked at number 29 in DJ controllers, this controller may be newer on the scene, but it's making waves fast. If you're ready to take your DJ sets into the realm of real-time remixing and high-level control, the Pioneer DDJ-RZ5 is the creative weapon you've been waiting for. The perfect place to begin.